डियर व्यूअर्स, आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी ऑडियो के साथ मेरे ऑल्टरनेट चैनल youtube.com/md मुदस्सिर आलम चैनल पर देख सकते हैं। Welcome to my channel. This is Career Master Muhammad Mudassir Alam. I am here with an important information, crucial information about CUET-UG 2023. Many of you are facing difficulty in filling up the application form for CUET-UG 23. In this exclusive video, I am going to share the details how you can register yourself, how you can apply for your preferred courses, preferred university through CUET Samarth portal. But before proceeding ahead, I am requesting you to watch this video till end, to like this video, to share this video with others, subscribe this channel if you are new on this channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any latest update about CUET-UG uploaded on this channel. First of all, you visit the portal, official portal cuet.samarth.ac.in portal. Here you can see the links related to the exams like information related prospectus. First of all, you download the prospectus and read all the details. You can find the syllabus here, universities list here, application guide, frequently asked question here. So if you are new on this portal, first of all you have to register yourself. Once you will click this tab, you can see this page will open. Here you are being asked to read all the instruction. You can read the instruction point wise from 1 to onwards. Read all the instructions here. Then after reading all the instruction and going through the information bulletin prospectus, check this box. Once you will check this box, you will be asked to click here to proceed. Once you will click this link, then this section will open. Here you have to fill your personal details, your name, your father's name, mother's name, guardian's name if you are having a guardian, your date of birth, gender, nationality, identity type, and valid identification number. Further, I am scrolling the page. You can see the screen and the required fields that you have to fill. Then you have to fill the present address. Then you have to choose a password. As per the guidelines, you have to choose a password. Then a security pin. Then personal details you have to fill. Then move ahead. You will get an OTP on your mobile. You have to submit then OTP and then enter that OTP, and you will be proceeded further by the admin of the portal. Then you have to log in again. After login again, you can see the steps here. Form status, apply for online registration, fill online application form, then pay examination fee, mobile number, email ID. It will be appearing like this. Then continue with application form. Your application form number will be provided on your mobile number and email ID. Then complete the application form. You have to fill all the details here. You can see, you can pause the video and get all the details. You have to mention the details as given here, then move ahead. Then you can see colleges, then educational details you have to fill 10 onwards till 12th intermediate. Then you can see then application form, university program selection. You have to select the name of the university and program you are opting for. So you can select from here, then move ahead. Then text paper selection, whatever page text subjects required as per the guidelines of the university, you have to choose the papers, and based on the papers your total fee will be calculated. And at the last, after going through all the details, you have to choose the centers, test city centers. Then you have to upload the documents, whatever documents you are having. If you are not having documents, you have to submit the undertaking. After going through all the process, your form will be provisionally completed. Then you have to submit the requisite fee. The fee will come here. You have to pay the payment from these links, and after making the payment, the sample of application form will be generated here. You can see this is the sample. In this way your application form will be created by the system. So that's all about CUET-UG online application form. I hope after watching this video you got the idea how to apply online for CUET-UG 23. Thanks a lot. Please keep on watching my channel.